let them know she the Negus.
Special guest in the building.
Been a Gyalis since the days of a fetus.
Speaking about Gyalis.
All the girl them greet us, and them see us, and them need her.
Yeah.
What was that?
One nation and Imara nation.
What was that?
One nation and Imara nation.
Short nigga, big walker. Piss him off, I'm a shit talker. She like to call me daddy, but I ain't got no kids, nigga. I'm which daughter? Flow stinker than shit, boy. Leave him pissed when I shit on him. Y'all don't know loyalty, which on a nickname Nintendo, how they switched on me like,
They switch.
I went low key, came back and then changed the flavoration. Weed all the snakes, then my rise up in my nation. It is what it is, I don't need to be around the waste man.
Yo!
Make money stick to the plan.
Easy. Yeah, well, I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you are now tuning into the Imara Nation podcast. You understand? I was there with one of the legend them, and yes, my bold enough is a legend. You understand? In the comedic Jamaican space. Ladies and gentle G's, you don't know, so we have Gyalis in Paris in the building. Up. Yo, I give thanks. I always give thanks to people who show genuine respect, you understand? And love too, because there is a lack of love and unity within our comedic space, bro. You understand? So, you know, I extend the olive branch and the G say, yo, here what? I don't mind being apartheid, so we're there, so now, you understand? So,
yeah.
Gyalis, what's up, brother?
Yeah, brother. As you mentioned, just spill some liquor up my shirt.
So, you go, man, you understand? Show something for the homies, you see me?
Yeah.
Yo. So, Gyalis there in Atlanta. You don't know me live in Atlanta. The G there for your bookings, and we're there, so now, you understand? So, first question I'm going to ask for Gyalis right now, brother. Has Gyalis ever been to Paris?
No, you know.
No.
I've never been to Paris.
Never.
But you know, the funny thing is, like, at the beginning of the career, when we get interview, and people will just assume someone come from Paris. So when they interview and them, I say, yo, how was it in Paris? I'm here like, you know, it was cold. You know what I'm saying? You know, I used to sell it because it was more of a gimmick. Like, you know, all Alkaline having black eyes and then, you know, Carter with the bleaching and everything. I kind of sitting for really dry your name. So I realized that people feel like I'm really a Jamaican who come from Paris. You kind of put like an edge. I was like, yo, I'm okay. Look for me like me, I'm a French man. I said, all right, cool. So I'm just run with it for a little while until people start pop up. We go to school with me and start selling me what is it. I said, yo, wait, hold on there. From Paris. Yeah, like they were listening because when them asked me now for an interview up on the radio and everything, I said, yo, you know, Paris I was there because, you know, blah, blah, blah. And people are listening. I said, I was there.
Brother, like.
Brother, just come around.
Yo, come always one day, isn't it, bro? But at the first, me ask you that question, I know. First, always, cause you don't want to make sure it's yo exclusive, as much exclusivity as I can. You know what I mean? We have World Dark, but now we have Gyalis in Paris, bro. You understand? A very talented being in a comedic space. You see me? So Gyalis has never been to Paris. You know, him just run with the name cause, you know what I mean? It give him a little edge, as him say, you know what I mean? Get people talking, and you want people to talk, especially about the good things, not negative at all. But how long know you in the comedic industry, bro?
When I started, like 2012, I think. 2012 is when I start, like Vine, I think,
Okay.
Around them time there.
Okay. So you start from Vine, then Vine got some and collapse.
Vine collapse there. Me start, alright, so me on Vine now is like, I realize, alright, like the following I grow and all them something there, but me not really too, in my real life, me not see that too much growth, you see me? So on Vine now, it's like, Gyalis in Paris, I already signed that, but I still broke, you see me? So then I go so now and start analyzing, okay, that's one thing with me, you know, if I do something, I got analyze and research and observe, you see me? So I realize that I'm say, you know, the reason why I'm famous about my broke is because Vine is not, you know, paying consumers.
Yeah, they're not monetized.
It's young people as well. Okay. So all when if I want to do something like sell a shirt or something like that, it's a young crowd, so them not on a credit card and a bank and everything. So that's why I'm gonna go so bam now and literally, you know, like most people like look on social media like a simple something. Like I really was strategizing how to really progress, isn't it? So I look on Instagram now and I say, all right, when you look on Instagram, you have all the business owner and promoters and all them something there now where them follow that kind of sitting. So that's why I'm gonna go over to Instagram and then after go viral again. You see me? Them time of Vine, they have about 90,000 on Vine. And then when I look over on Instagram now, I have about 4,000. So that's why I try to show people like, easy if you take as your social media following over that side and bring it to our next one. Them not go over so easy.
That's true.
You see me?
That's true.
By Instagram, I want to look a regular viewer. So I'm gonna say, all right, I'm gonna go on Instagram and then at them time, I'm gonna start the video over there and then go viral and viral again and again and again on Instagram, build it up, and then by the time I get famous on Instagram, then I stop go Vine. So when them say Vine stop,
you're like,
say, yo, bud, look what I can just tell the future. So, and then all the people them were big over there. When Vine lock off and them come over here, me did little to them. Now them come over and see me with my 100K and them have about 10K and them I say, bone what? I'm say, yeah, man, yesterday, you did like the film and the little pitney them I tell they say, big and body. They come over and say, yeah, look somebody man, me I tell you, but you have to know, but that's in general. You have to just know how to come off of the wave, you see me?
Yeah.
And anybody where those stocks, you will know I same thing. Like you just have to know when to go when it's hot and not get greedy and feel comfortable. That's the decline for everybody now. When you get comfortable, at them time everybody feel.
That's true.
Cause remember times change, So
and you gotta roll with it. You see me? So as the G said, Vine got a woman fall like the Rock of Gibraltar. You understand? So you started on Vine, made the transition. I can attest to, followers not moving from one platform to another, because right now I have almost 300K on TikTok, bro. But them not moving over to my Instagram, which is 50 plus K. And I'm pissed about that, but as you don't know our life, you see me, but you see but as I say, you see the future. When you move and you transition, you must make the transition from Vine to Instagram, made your name on Instagram.
Yeah.
So the one them who move late, them a play a catch up to you now.
Yeah.
Cause I know if Jamaican did on Vine them time net, right? Pine them.
Them did depend it, but they were more on Instagram first. Cause when me go over to Instagram, it was like we go over into a new world. Cause them start see what a different Jamaican comedian I never seen them like live. So the first time I see Prince Pine video, I forget that who for page me did see it, and I say, oh, that content is kind of funny. And
yeah.
I go back to him page and I say, yo, who are you there? And then what do you follow to? So I say, who that brother? But right away, like I say, yo, and at that time I had more followers than him, but me never watched that. Like me and somebody with like you can have 2 followers. Like I go link you and say, yo, I say,
yo,
big up yourself.
But just did I talk to Jeffrey about that earlier, brother. You see me? And it's like I'm always have to big up Jeffrey, bro. I can big up you too, because Gyalis, 300,000, you're approaching 400,000, right?
Yeah.
All right, Gyalis is approaching 400,000 right now. Zane, and I can agree and say a real thing in my talk. Gyalis and Jeffrey, even World Dog as well, them 3 men that to me are some of the most, would I say, down to earth people, because them don't let numbers dictate to them who and who for link or even show, give people them flowers for work with, I mean, because World Dog out, Jeffrey was the biggest comedian we work with, and then now World Dog was a woman. My cousin set the link with World Dog. I will go over World Dog. The man, the man see my work already, But he never follow. He usually just comment. Mr. Chin was the skit where him used to love. So when we go to Florida, bro, the man say, "You want that Mr. Chin skit, but we never have the clothes, bro." But the man still do the video. The man cut up one piece of cardboard box and put one card to it, make them have the headwear and them thing there. Yeah. You see me? That's why I say, yo, that man, him so popular, but him a put effort in a somebody where following so minute, but him see the talent, bro. And I can tell you this, Jeffrey, Gyalis, World Dog are some of the most humblest youth them in the comedic space that I personally know. And someone gonna say, oh, you're biased because you know them. It's only gonna be biased because you don't want to hear what me have to say. So you probably think that you're a comedian of most humblest and rare. No. Never thought about what me, no. But anyway, besides that, the video, remember one video specifically where The Road, with you, Prince Money, and some other youth. I think 2 other youth.
Yeah,
Oxtail bone. Oxtail bone. Mr. Gyalis taste and curl up to blood clot. You see me? First of all, what other 2 youth there?
Them all over the place now. Yeah, you know, want to.
Okay.
One of them, yeah, so one of them, I want to see it. So.
Yeah, we didn't have to forget
them the both.
Yeah. Okay, in good health and everything.
Yeah.
But that is my first video. I see from the G them. You see me, and at them time there, I did fairly new in America. You see me, I'm say, I never even dream to make a video, bro. Them time I never think to make a video. Them time that music me alright. And I see the Jamaican comedic thing, and you know what I mean. I didn't know about Trabas.
Yeah.
We didn't know about Trabas
first.
Yeah, but when time I see David and the brother, I'm see the dog stay and curl up like that. I say, yo, what time about? So did you guys anticipate such a big buzz from that one video that bro? Cause wait, was it that video that started everything? Or
that's the video that started my going viral for me on Instagram.
Okay, yeah. That was the Instagram viral.
That one actually got viral up on Facebook, and then it kind of eased over to Instagram, and then we get whole heap of followers after that.
Okay.
You know, so basically with that video, they know. The funny thing is, you know, a lot of people don't know because Prince Money did both for deleting Instagram. You see me?
Run them time there?
Yeah.
Oh.
I remember said that before Susan.
Yeah. Okay.
So him there do video and nothing now go on and everything. You see it? So,
okay.
So him now I look at me and I said, "Bumbo like that. Me want as much followers on this as you know, man. You see me?" So me and him start par and I realize me say the same thing. I'm tell her that you can't tell us the man want the fame and everything. You see me? Remember one time I go to one show and I'm in the outer city and him link me and say him both for delete the Instagram car. You see me? Just don't make sense. I'm gonna tell him, say, brother, hold on, wait. When we reach, when I come back from a show, we link up and do some real videos. And as me reach, right? I go to Bob now and say, yo, you know, so I want to do a remake to the freestyle with the American them are doing, you know. You see me? And then, right? So you know, say me, you know, because once upon a time I was a bad artist, right?
Yeah.
So I go to Bob now. I'm going to link up with 2 of our bridges, you know, go over Queens and I write lyrics for everybody.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Give everybody them lyrics and say, yo, I saw it for go.
Yeah.
But then halfway through, and I know you can agree to this. You ever have an idea of a video until you're ready for video it and you get a new idea and it actually make the video better than how you did originally planned to do it.
Yes.
So me do everything with just bad lyrics. Like me, I say, all right, this catchy and have flow and everything. Is it? I night. Everybody ready for say them line and I say, yo. I say, you know, it would be funnier is if we say something very controversial. So me, you know, I go to Bam now and say, yo, who want to say suck out the body like Axton? Because I know me now.
Yeah. Yes, a Prince dancer. Me.
Yeah. For real, you know, like everybody else definitely, bro, you're that rough, you know, brother. That in a dog, but Prince say, yo, me no mind, me will say it. So I say, all right, cool, here we are. This is going to be the line. You're gonna go first. Me, I go first. You second. You and then Prince. I gotta say, I turn around and suck out about it like Axel Bone and everything like that, and everybody just look appalled.
Yeah,
you see me? Go Sabam, do the video, and then it gone. As you upload it, it fly away. I said, Bumbo clot, dog. And then them now and Prince at the man said, dog, I say it's so powerful. Me never know either, you know, but remember, when I had the comedy, you know, say, yo, I'm tell the people out of the way when them ask me advice on them thing, they say just keep on doing videos. You will never know which one will take off. That is true. That's just one of something. Even I said to myself, say, yeah, man, I know some could I go. No, like, I literally do the video, I never really think too much of it. I was like, it's fun. And we do it. It become Mr. Oxtail Bone. Sometimes people meet me and I own a video them ever see from me. You see me? And I just saw it just large. And even when I posted back the other day for your TBT, it's still gone over 2,000 comments and how much 100,000 views and everything like it. Timeless.
Yeah. That bro, that will forever be one of the most popular viral videos in the Jamaican comedic space, bro. Because for one, you had the formula right.
Yeah.
At first, you wasn't thinking about saying something low. But you know, in our culture, bro, if I say something low, you know what I mean? People are going to say, lava, fire, but it's funny. You're going to laugh regardless.
Exactly.
You see me? So, when you go to Boomka, as I say, I'll be a bad lyrics that you have.
Yeah.
Like, spitting. Like, people face what I go up.
Yeah, you see me? Like,
yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
but you go to Boom now, second thought. suck out the bottle like a oxtail. Brilliance. Simply brilliance. And I'm telling you something. You hear what the dog just said a while ago? Keep making videos. You never know which one is going to pop.
I can't stress it enough.
And I first time I hear him say it.
Yeah.
Not the first time.
Look on the other day, you know, when I go subbum now, I wake up in the morning and I'm there on TikTok or wherever, I hear one sound. And then I go subbum now and do a video. It's just a video I do just to tell people them good morning, you know.
Yeah.
Me never expect nothing from it because it's a very simple video. Me act like me I drive.
Yeah.
And then when the beat drop, like me look up and say, but me I drive. You see me? And fix up myself and anything and I go up on Shade Room.
Shade Room. Bro, I message this, my message just here time I say, yo, bro, what's the formula, bro? What is the fucking formula? Because, bro, I think the week before that, you did go viral too.
Yeah.
You did go viral for something again, bro. I say, yo.
Yeah, just go viral with Mark. The Mark video, man.
Yes.
Me drop that one.
Yes.
Go up on Shade Room, man.
Yes.
That's crazy.
Bro, I'm saying like, bro, what is the fucking formula, bro? What am I not doing? Because we need to know how to approach this, brother. Because, you know what I mean? I think I'm very talented, bro, but what else can I do, bro? And it's not from like, you know, some people with a bad mind, bro. Especially, I'm telling you this right now. Especially in that comedic circle, yeah? Because I wish we would operate like the Americans.
Say it every day.
King Batch, have him squad, him team, the youth, the Archer youth, where all of them always dance.
Yeah, King
Archer, King Vader.
Yeah. Hey.
Everybody, even if you're not the main character, you're in it as an extra.
And you know the greatest thing about it too? Because each one of them video have about 100 people in it. And then when you click one of them, look at name them at your bottom, have about 8,000 followers.
Yeah.
Some of them have about 8,000 followers, brother.
And the man them not ramp for tagging neither.
Them not ramp for tagging, brother. Them
but with we, I'm on it even repost your video and even tag you.
Brother.
And take out your name.
Brother, you know, see when I do the R. Kelly voiceover.
Bumbleclat, that did go viral.
That
did go viral.
But guess what though? Them me made the mistake of putting the name up in the white section and then them crap out the whole video. So them just replace it as if R. Kelly was Jamaican. I say on a dirty blood. But me as a man where me dep on like, yo, you know what? Me as somebody where I always can come up with content. You know? So if you want to block my name?
Yeah.
People them who know Gyalis in Paris, I gonna know that I mean that. Bro. I really mind when you not tag me, I just say, you know what? Me chalk it up to a L, me take the L, but I gonna know say I mean nobody can do voice over like that one.
Yeah.
You see me?
Bro, I was watching your story at that time because I pay attention, bro. Man, I'm telling you this. You see, y'all niggas should stop hating people you should learn from. The reason why you're not growing is because you're hating. I watch this nigga. Everybody who have more numbers than me, I pay attention because I want to know how to get there. What's the formula? How to maneuver myself in the industry, bruh. My biggest thing is consistency. Right now, I can tell you that right now. Consistency, especially now. I'm not really too focused on Instagram like that, bro. Because you see me? YouTube, my thing there right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. And I'll try keep up that consistency on YouTube.
Yeah.
You see me? But I watch the dog story the time when the man dropped the R. Kelly thing, bro. I have never seen over 250,000 shares, right?
Yeah.
Fuck. Hey. What?
The thing I buy this.
Bruh.
Hey.
I'm not exaggerating.
Brother. You know which other voiceover they do better than that one there?
Which one?
The one with Will Smith and Jada.
Bumbleclat! Yo, how can I forget that one there?
Remember that one they go up on TV with
Mama said she was old.
Yeah.
How for TV show that go up on MTV, right?
Yeah, when do a countdown for like whole heap of different fuckery and then pull up that Jamaican video there and say, yo, when Jamaicans, if Jamaicans were whatever, like if Will and Jada were
Jamaican. Dog. Going back 5 minutes ago, what he said. Don't stop doing videos. You never know which one might pop, bro. I'm telling you, you never know. At one point, bro, I want between me and you, everybody I watch, but bro, at one point, brother, I was like, bro, fuck this shit. I give up, bro. Fuck it. Then tell them about all 30, 40K. I say, yo, bro, what the fuck, bro? I say, man, just start. I say, man, we just start, brother. And them gone up on the top. I'm like, what the fuck? Me I give them Mr. Chin. Me I give them Blood Clot Bunty's Diary. Me I give them Elephant Man. Me I give them everything. The whole arsenal, brother. The whole man get everything. The whole bullet pack. Everything.
Brother,
the whole clip.
You know which video you do? When me could ask where would I gone?
Which one?
The Blood Clot. The party video where the smoker. I said, brother. Wait, when I watch that, brother, my name fire said this gone. I said, me never seen somebody do that before, but that's exactly how it is. I say, yo, the man creative in the dog. Like, but with the smoker come out while I'm say, no, man. I said, this gone either on Twitter or something. It go viral. Dog, I lose faith in a social media them day, brother. I said, no, dog. I said, the video them when you do the least effort are the one them with gone a road.
Gone, bro.
But I remember one time I do one video with Prince of New York, man, youth, and nearly broke up my whole self, man. You broke up my blood.
Be effort.
I do a video, brother, I have bruise and all things. I itch up and full up and I do it and I edit it and I say, this gone a road, you know? This gone, you know, I broke up, but it's go worth it, brother. Worst video ever do. They view them low, but too laughing emotion, me delete it and dash on my phone. And I say, yo, they must and take me for a pum in a dog. Take me for a fool in a dog. At them time, I stop care, dog. So people are message me and I talk about, oh, you need to drop some more videos. I say, move your bumbo. When I'm ready, I drop a video.
Yeah.
I do no more video.
Fuck out of here. Bright. Damn. A real talk, bro. Sometimes, bro, you put your heart and soul in some video, bro, and it's like, tush. Yeah. You see me? But I'm not lie still. I say me that I give up on her. No, I'm not do it. Because this is something I genuinely enjoy creating content, bro. Genuinely enjoy creating content, bro. You see me? So it's like, who for seat? You see me? Like, you have some people who still rock with me from them time until now. You see me? So, it's more so doing it because I love it and still supplying some form of joy to the people them who still want to see Negus, bro. You see me? And actually, you will never know. That video that probably changed things come next year. Yeah. It probably come next year. So
tomorrow.
You never know.
You never know. But that's the thing too, You see when you do videos and that's why people who don't care we go so far in such a short amount of time, because when you don't really care, at the same time there's a level of comfort because you don't care.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So you see people who know is like you can tell, so they might force it and they're not a comedian, it's very evident and them will never bust because you can tell. You understand? Like you see the effort where you put in your video, them you can tell, say, this a man he make feed because me nah do all of that. You see what I say? That look like a whole heap of editing. Me nah got to do all of that. Yeah. That's why your videos are so entertaining to me, at least personally, is because me I say, brother, like this a man I input. You can tell, say, the man loving craft. Yeah. And him put a whole heap of effort in him craft. Just that whole something here, that whole setup here. Yeah. Like it might call me nonchalant, but me as I walk around and look and I say, we never do this, like boom. Like I said, this man rate himself in a dog, and me have to rate that thing. Come here, I said, gee, myself look on this. I went impressed it. I said, yo. Like the man taking things serious in a dog, and we have to rate that in a facts. So it's like at the end of the day, what you learn in a social media or in the world in general, right? Them don't respect talent. Yeah. Them don't. That's just a fact. You understand? Them don't respect a talent because me know a whole heap of people who look on Jamaica. That look how much people. You see, why you think so much video always come out and of like either homeless people or people who are just there in the yard and it go viral because so much people are talented, but them not get the recognition. True. You understand? True. And you say, boom, look, where this a person that come from with them lyrics or something like that? And you say, them man are nobody winning a big studio and them thing because it's more of image. Just like that dude they post the other day. Exactly. Yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah. And it's like there's so much talented people, but it has to come with something. It's not enough just to be talented anymore. Yeah. It's not. Hard work. You have to put in so much different it's strategy because look, I always use Massacre as an example. Mm-hmm. Anybody will know Massacre, they might listen to Massacre and know say Massacre bad. from morning. And I like say people not hear music, them hear it now, but they're not satisfied yet. You understand? And even when him try why I do and them thing there and them kind of put look about spot in my river, but them still put him aside until him go up and one rhythm and then them end up have to play with it with the who gas them up, come we go about Sicily and river this and that, and then they take that one song there where I know saying probably and I want to embody the song, but it was the timing. So it was just good timing, not so much where they were looking at it like, oh, this and that. Because it would have was a long time if it was the talent.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
True.
It's just so weird. And it's not even the people them fighting on. Sometimes it's really timing. It's the universe.
Yes.
You understand?
That's true.
It's not really the talent sometimes. It's the timing. You know what I mean? And true. It's very frustrating for somebody who is talented is because it is not enough to be talented. It has to be either marketed properly or the right person have to share it.
Yes.
You know? Yes. And even though they were watching it this whole time, but because Alkaline co-sign, no of them can't take you serious. If DJ Khaled posts you, no of them can't take you serious.
True.
You see me? Look how Shensia body fuck. And America's seen it, but they don't care.
Yeah.
You see me? It's certain when she come over here and she start show them her force, and then certain people start take her up and show her attention now. Then other people start. When Shade Room, I remember the first time Shade Room posted her.
Yes.
I mean, I looking at her comments. Who is she again? Who is this? Like, I be a negative. I mean, I said, Jesus Christ, like, I just don't have to do what, you know what I mean? And then, no, you see her in a, do that bad freestyle there. You see her with Tiger, all this stuff. Now, when them post her, people know act like they know who. You knew her a long time already, but who is she?
Facts.
You understand?
Facts.
And she's talented, but they don't care until it's either the timing or the person who co-signed you.
True.
No ideas.
True.
It's weird, bro. And
now I need some big co-sign out there. Trabas. We get a co-sign from World Dog already. Get a co-sign from Gyalis already. Who else we need co-sign from? I need co-sign from all on. Help me, please. Comedian turned businessman. I am super proud of you, brother.
Appreciate it, bro.
And I am watching and learning. And a lot of you young men, I said it in the first segment, stop hating on who you should learn from. You will get further in life. Put away the bad mind, put away the ego. You don't know it all. You can learn from people who you don't even like. If you even have to like him, but you can learn from them. Gyalis in Paris. I see you got some man branch out now. And you've been selling oils for how many years now?
3 years.
3 years now, Gyalis been selling oils. You understand? And paying attention, it seems as if business is good, bro.
Business is awesome.
Bruh.
Very, very awesome.
As I said, watch a dog store them. Box on box on box on box. Everybody say racks on racks on racks. Gyalis song for say box on box on box. Be a box. Orders every day. Double-digit orders. You understand? Bro, what do we have here right here? What do we have right here?
All right, so right now, this is a top-selling one right to say now. This is Stars. This is actually the first original one. When Negus Abamnans try a thing and say, all right, I think I want to sell oils. This was the first one I ever made and was like, all right, let me see how this does. And when I made them, sold out the first day. That is the one where I have like a baby blue color and look like it have glitter in it, but it's not glitter. It's stars. Personally picked out of the universe. You understand? Yeah, and I when we link up with the dog, the dog he give me a buckle. I mean, I tell her this. Slap. What are the we have right there now? The other one I know is a limited edition in a Mark scent. Yo, Mark! Yo! Yeah, man. I say, this that's why it's red, you know, because you know it's a Mark signature, the red bean. Yeah. So this one, a special edition, that not sell again. So this is very valuable right now. Very valuable. I'll leave it with you still. Manners, bro. I can say you have it. Manners. Now I come back right now. Damn. Yeah. Damn. So this is mine right here. You understand? And what the site of them can go on? Parissense.com. So that's Paris, CENT. Parissense.com. Yeah. You understand? Link in my bio, man. Yeah, link in the bio. Yeah. Gyalis in Paris page. You Instagram link in bio. So, bro, 3 years now as a businessman, how has the journey been? The journey, all right. So the journey at first, it was very easy to pick up because basically I feel like I had an advantage because when I started it, I had a huge following.
Yeah.
You understand? So it wasn't really, I was already specializing in influencing. You understand? So that means my marketing was on point already. So it don't matter when we really sell, them they go.
It would move.
Yeah. So that's why I always tell people, I'm like, yo, when I'm giving advice, I still say, I'm just one person you can take some advice from, but at the end idea, I can't really tell you, say, yo, let me in the trenches and all them something. Because when I first thought about doing it, I bought like 20 and sold out all 20 of them in Brooklyn alone. You see me? And if you're a business owner and you just start, most likely that's not going to happen right away.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? Yeah, you're going to have to put in a lot of work. But I literally was just... But I at the same time, I was building up the suspense.
So you've been promoting for like...
I kind of was promoting before I even started the business, because remember, before I even sell it, I was just making my own fragrances and wearing it.
Word.
I'm going to shows and then people would be like, yo, what are you wearing? And I'm like, oh, I create my own. You know what I'm saying? I wear it. So I kept screenshotting when like if a fan would see me and they hug me or whatever, and then they go home and they're like, yo, I still smell your cologne on my shirt. Like, what is this? And I'm here like, oh, it's my own cologne. And this was happening frequently. So I would keep posting it and building up that suspense. So now when I go to Bum and say, yo, I'm selling a cologne, and then them remember I say, yo, I the same cologne where you always I post of people always I talk about, and I'm like, yeah. So the hype was already on it. You know what I mean? And I'm somebody who I used to, when I was in college, I was going for business and marketing. So one of the classes that we had to take was psychology. So I know how people's mind think. Right. And I know a lot of marketing strategies that people wouldn't really think about, but it helps. And one thing you want to create is suspense, exclusive, and urgency. You understand? So that's why most of the time you will see, like, if you go up on a website and them have a sale, and you will see a timer in the corner where say, yo, in 10 seconds, the sale is available, but it's not. But that timer is literally, it's a fake timer. It's to make you feel like you only have time. So the time that you would sit there and think, do I want to buy it right now?
Yeah.
Then boom, it make you, I figure I'll buy it right now because you know what, it's only lasting right now, so I don't need to think about it anymore. So you create urgency. Another thing where you see people do is people always want to feel like they're being treated good, which is in anything. Yeah. So that's why even if I was selling this for $20, right? Yeah. I would put a price next to it for $35 and cross it out when it was never that. Because them feel like, Yeah. So it's different things that I would use in my head. Like, I'm like, yo, all right, you know what? Let me see how I can make these people more comfortable buying from me. You know what I'm saying? And make them more intrigued. True. And it literally, it's not like it's a gimmick or anything like that. It's literally the reviews from people who make the business strive, because I don't ask people anything about when they get their product. They run back to me and tell me about the product. So that's how you know it's a good product. So that's why I even pursued it, because I'm not into scamming people or giving them something that they're not proud of. So the fact that so much people are so happy with it, that's what made me say, yo, let me really push this. And 60% of my customers are people who don't know who Gyalis in Paris is, which show you that it's mostly referrals. So people who smell it off of you,
60%.
And say where you get that from. And they just give them the Instagram or the website, and that's what show you, say, yo, that's a good product. Facts. And then it comes with good marketing, because remember I said good marketing beat a good product any day. So if you have a good product and good marketing, you win.
That's facts. I remember one time I told you I don't remember what part of Florida I was in. I was up like in North Florida though. And I was in Chipotle. And this white lady, she smelled what I got on that day. I was having lunch at Chipotle. I love Chipotle. Big up myself, Chipotle. And the woman said, excuse me, what do you have on? What's that? I'm like, I got my friend's oil on. She's like, what is it? I say, it's called Parisen. She was like, what? I'm like, hold on. I show her the page, same time, and she goes, boom, type it in. And she show me when she buy the blood clot aisle. I'm going to tell Gyalis, say, yo, brother, my white lady just buy some aisle, brother. for your husband.
Yeah.
That's how it works. That's when you know you got something good.
Word of mouth is the best promotion.
And brother, you have something good, brother. These oils, everywhere I go, because you know I travel for work, bro.
Yeah.
Everywhere I go, no cap. Everywhere I go, I get compliments because I got to go in people's houses and business place. I'm not going to tell you what work I do, but I got to go in people's houses and business place. And when them smell me, can I make sure I say my double little two on my ears. I'm going to put on my lotion. I'm going to say, I'm tipping on my hand or up on my hand too. Rub it on my lotion. You understand? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Because, you know what I mean? Oil, you don't really too want to go up your clothes, like certain clothes we wear, certain colors and them thing there.
Yeah.
Just rather put it on my skin. And on my ears, right? That's up, boom, boom. Because you know when girl hug you. Gyalis, tell them which to put it. Because they want to feel like I'm capping, bro. Tell them which to put it. When the girl them hug your brethren, they want to send slap them in them nose, brother.
Hey, so you know, this how you know, say.
Talk to them, my brother. I want to them.
Yeah, this how you know, say it bad, you know. Actually use it as a weapon, you know, man. Hey, listen one more time. You see how Bill Cosby drug pilling at people? Hey, you want to know, you know, hey, moves, yo, I'm not post a video, you know, go see it, I know.
Listen, we're joking. We are joking.
I'm not joking. Listen to me. The reason why I'm saying that, I'm going to post it, fuck, but the reason why I'm saying that is because the girl, them are going to know and say, oh, that's why I'm going to do more time.
Yeah.
Watch it now. What I usually do, like, let's say I always keep the little back there in my bag and everything. You see, this is how I know say the product bad.
Yeah.
You see, if me there and in a party, I drink Hennessy and smoke my hookah, you see me? I see some girl walking where I know me, and then I go come over for a hug, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right when I see them walking, I say, mad. I go, so bam, I rub it in my hand, right? The place where I rub it, I write this up on the shoulder, right? Because I know it's in them like this.
Mm-hmm.
And then down the side so that because you know them shot.
Mm-hmm.
So when them hug, we reach cross with the arm, which put the scent cross them face. You see me?
Pay attention.
Pull them in and hug them. So them always just say, yo, it's a church hug, but them don't even know me I poison them. You see me? So by the time the hug done, I swear to you not, bro. Them always, them can't, that's the best thing. That's how you know say it good enough. Them can't just smell it and say to themselves, say, oh, that's my night. Them affy tell me, say, yo, you smell mad good. I remember one time I was at the party like last week and my homeboys was there and they see me putting on the oil and they're like, you better go say hi to somebody. I'm like, yep. And then put on the aisle, go over there. I'm a hug one of my friend them and she call her husband over and she say, yo, baby, come here right now. And I'm like, she's like, yo, give me the oil you just put on a while ago. I'm here like, oh, yeah. I'm going to just make a sale. You see me? I say, yo, that's how you know. But I always trick them that way, brother. Anytime I know say a girl, a father, or whatever, I just slap someone real quick. And it always fuck up them head. Them always dip on, boom. Yo, what's this one name again?
Mm-hmm.
What's this one name again? I'm like, yo, I remember one time, this woman know say like my product good. I remember when I reach up, I remember go visit my mother. And she was like, yo, and she didn't know, because remember she didn't have Instagram.
Yeah,
so the first time I first start off and sell it, my mother, I reach up my mother yard and she's like, Jermaine, you sell cologne? I'm like, yeah. I'm like, yeah, I forgot to tell you. Yeah, I do. And she's like, yeah, because one of my coworkers, this white dude.
Wow.
Because he's a fan as well. But he was like, yo, he's like, oh, because this is when I was living in New York. So he went to her and was like, oh, I see your son is in town and this and that. And then she was like, yeah, she's like, how you know? She's like, he just had a show last night, this and that. He's like, yo, I just bought one of his oils and this and that. And then she's like, his what? And he's like, yo, he's like, you don't know your son sell cologne? And she's like, what? I didn't know that. And then she came to me, she's like, yo, one of my white coworkers was like, yo, like he bought your fragrance and like he don't wear nothing else but it. And I'm like, remember, this is in the first year. So it's not even like it didn't reach so far yet. We didn't even have a website feed yet. You know what I'm saying?
Word. Oh, you were just setting off Instagram.
Yeah, just off Instagram alone. Yeah. So I'm here like, yo, that at them time I realized, yo, boy, you know what? Might find something, man. I might have figured something out there. You know what I'm saying? I was like, I need to take this serious. You know what I'm saying? First year, brother. Someone else I got good in a brother. Timing is everything. You see, when COVID hit, and if I did not start that fragrance company, there would be no more Gyalis in Paris. I would not have. There was nothing. I would have to have started a new job. Remember, booking's done. Place locked. That's where all my money was coming from.
For real.
I wouldn't have. I quit my job in 2012. I never went back. So 2019, I've been without a job for how long? Making just money off shows and endorsements.
Because when time we did first link up around COVID time.
Around COVID.
Yeah, around COVID time. Yeah.
So and it's right before. You know what I'm saying? That I started is like a year before. So it was just great timing. And then, as I said, once I got the first house and I started taking it serious, you know what I'm saying? Because remember, I tell you that that's I feel like with growth, you have to make yourself uncomfortable. So when youngster come to me and say, yo, if me, I didn't want to get a house and everything, I'm gonna say, all right, cool, we get a house and everything. But I wasn't making money like that. But I did it just to put myself in a situation where my affy make more money. You see me? And ever since we get the house, the business thriving. The first year made 100 grand. First year. First year, brother. First year.
Young men, I like to talk to the young brothers, them, brother. From what day I just talk to the young brothers, them. Young men, apply yourself. Please. He's not the first to do it, and he won't be the last. You just make sure that you are one of them. You hear me? He was not the first, and he's not going to be the last. You just make sure that you're one of them. And me, I tell you this. Me, I try to find something he can sell to.
Hey, it don't matter if you want to sell pencil, you can't sell it.
Brother. And when time we find what I'm going to sell, I'm going to say, yo, Gyalis, but I big on my levels, bro. Oh, it take me for approaches, bro. Because as much me keep.
Hey.
I'm telling you.
Hey, may I tell you something? You see, when it comes to business, dog, it's something about starting a business that matures you to a certain level. It's crazy. Because remember say me and Lincoln Tree that never did on good terms in the beginning of our careers. Right? We did, you know what I'm saying, kind of clash a little bit.
Yeah.
And then we squash it, however. When him starting business with Powerful and all them something.
Yeah.
Me I tell you, I said, this a brother, and everybody know Lincoln. Yeah, is it me?
Yeah.
One confident youth and him do things by himself. Like is it me? Like him have that boastiness about him. You see me? When I tell you, I said, this a youth here. Anytime him have some little advice or him find out a different hack, call my phone. Sometimes me just be up on a booking or whatever, the man call my phone and say, brother, you know what I realize? I realize say you have to post your business every single day. Or if I one sale you get, post your business every single day, you will get something. Just always post it. And me I tell him, I say, yo, brother, you know, I realize the same thing, and the man say, yeah. Oh, and Ray this and that, and yo, you know, say if you do this pan taxes or whatever this and that, you can get back this and Ray, just remember me do that. And then me link you later. Boom. Star Dawkins in X call me and always that she say, yo, there's this dude who's an investor or whatever, this and that. And he was looking for like colognes or something. I told him about you. I gave him your number, this and that, so that because he's huge, like he can put your business on another level. You see me? Well, next time she called me and she was like, yo, I couldn't help but notice that you were shipping yourself. And she's like, you know, if you're working in your business, you can't work on your business. Just remember that. Hang up the phone. I'm gonna say bomba cloud. And me and somebody where just like I said, you can't walk around like you know everything.
Yeah.
Anything ask Dan, youngster brother.
Yeah.
Every idea him ever give me. Him say, that's why I'm saying rate me. Him say, yo, any advice or little sitting him tell me do it immediately. People give me advice, dog. I'm not somebody who feel like I know everything. I don't like walking around like I'm the king of it or anything like that.
Yeah.
I listen everything. I remember one time my homegirl was like, yo, you know, you should do a New Year's scent called champagne. But I mean, it's just an idea. New Year's coming in, she have to call me. And
I remember that scent.
Yeah. Is one of my friends who gave me the idea of putting out like limited edition scents. You know what I'm saying? Because she's like, yo, that creates urgency. It creates limit so that it will rush people to buy it and then you'll stop it. And next time you bring it in, brother, you have it open to taking advice and criticism. You would not be successful if you cannot hear what somebody is telling you.
True.
It's being open-minded. That's the only way you can be successful, dog. I swear to you. But that's what I'm showing you. It's like people who you feel like wouldn't have to come to you about nothing. Like they literally are giving me free information for nothing, dog. And it's like I appreciate them so much. You know what I'm saying? So it just comes with it's just different when you start a business. Your mindset becomes so different, and obstacles that you had to overcome. For some reason, you feel like you don't want nobody else go through it.
True.
So if like how you say you want to start a business,
me
I got depend me need to make him know this. Like, I don't know why I just push up and say, me want to make sure say him know, do it this way for this way. Don't make this reach you.
I see what I was gonna comment on, because I never want to cut you, bro. I'm just saying this to show you. The man said, Lincoln, link him. Then the man said, Star, link him. And them type of people that me want to associate myself with, because I said, no found out this, Una art dirty. Una art stink. Una will never show somebody how to go through it easier and maneuver themselves the best of them ability. Me see one comedian girl, just hilarious. Like she said, you know what I mean? She want people to go through what she did go through. One video will go viral one time when she talk about business.
I know what talk about. Yeah, I know what
and I kind of understand what she does say, but at the end of the day, mama, when you drive through America and you see McDonald's and Burger King, they beside them one another almost every street, them depend, you can win too. Just like you can make somebody else win in a life, you can continue win too. Them not have to go through. My friends don't have to know to the stove at. They ain't gotta get burned. Me get burned, you ain't gotta get Gyalis, the stove at. Don't touch it. Mm-hmm. As some of you want my friend them come to me and say, yo, Negus, XYZ, her. I'm gonna say, oh yeah, you know what? All right. Apply myself just like that. Yeah. Your art, everybody can make it, bro. Everybody can make it. And me I say it again. Stop hating on people you should be learning from.
Real thing, man.
The man said him and Lincoln relationship never up there, until them go to man squash it. Then Lincoln call him, and then Star call him. Him friend them give him advice. Free advice. Mm-hmm. Some people you gotta pay for consultation. Right?
Yeah.
So you gotta pay for consultation. And him I get free consultation. He is Gyalis in Paris. Him friend, I'm assuming, don't have a platform like him. But what? He still listened. And what he did? He created urgency. Psychology, I got a psychology book. I started reading it. I read about 5 pages of that motherfucker and I put it down. I'm not going to cap. I read like 5. But I'm going to read back them 5 pages and read the rest of the book. Because I need to apply myself like, Gyalis in Paris, Lincoln, Star Dawkins, and all the other Jamaican people them in the Jamaican comedic space apply themselves. I want to be somebody as well. I'm somebody right now, but I want to show my abilities. That's what I should say. Mm-hmm. Stop, young men. Stop with the bag of gal. Gyalis, tell them.
Hey.
Apply themselves. Apply on yourself.
Apply yourself. Hey, listen. All right. Especially, that's why I'm glad to say I put emphasis on the young man, because if I knew this or if I had the mindset that I had now when I was a young man, the possibilities are endless.
You'd have been a millionaire.
Millionaire by now. You understand? And it's just, I can't stress it enough, man. Me link everybody, all Dino crazy, you can't ask him. Link him and tell him and Voldemort. I'm going to tell him, and I'm going to say, right now, when I the artist thing on the internet, Jamaican crowd. I said, don't let this hype get to the head. I don't know, make it pass, because I see enough people with them are the artist thing, and they make it pass them, and then them try and monetize it, and them page dead now, because them get comfortable and feel like them would have on top of your world forever. I say, when I have the engagement, when they need to do something for monetize it, for bringing the money, because Instagram not going to pay you. You understand? So I said, don't make that pass you. If me didn't know that from morning, then a long time, we'd have to sell like cologne and all them something. I said, when my page was hot, I had to make my page hot again. You understand? So I just got lucky again because I just have the creativity. But some people don't have the creativity. So if them bus pan sitting and have a video where viral and then page active, they must monetize it. Because Instagram not going to do that. And you're not going to have people around if you tell you that. So that's why I'm always appreciate from my story. And people always say me, I go up on rants and you're always ranting. And I'm like, yo, like, but you acting like what I'm saying is not facts, bro. Some people never see the last one. I rant again and make no and say, yo, this is not the right way to think. You understand? Because me feel it for the people them where young and have time and now do the right thing. Because remember, you have some people where I don't want you to reach 38. I'm not 38 now. Doesn't make no I don't want to think I'm 30 them.
Neither am I. Yeah,
but
neither am I.
Me don't want you to reach when later and all them something and you realize that Jesus Christ, God, right now, me I learn some things when me I say, what? You could have do that when you're little youth, when you're 17, 16, and me I say, but long time everybody could have reached. And if you don't have parents or friends we can tell you that, you follow Gyalis in Paris, you're gonna hear me. You gotta hear me tell you, say, yo, this and that. And that's why most of the time I like post my journey and thing. And the wrong people, the people that have the wrong mindset, I go and like say, you're bossy or you're bragging.
Yes.
Right? When I first make, like, I think the first time I made like $5,000 in one day and I posted, and I wasn't getting any like negative feedback. I was like, one of my friends them did say, yo, you sure you want to post that? I said, yo, listen, any idea? People are going to perceive it probably in a negative way, but the majority of people are going to see it and say, oh my God. You know what I'm saying? If him can do that,
I can do it too.
I can do it too. You understand?
That's motivation.
That's motivation. You understand? Me get motivated by Lincoln and Star when I see them business are flourish. I say, yo, why my business not make that much? And then I start push. And I realize, say, yo, it's possible as long as you see somebody else can do it. Sometimes that influencer, everybody quick for post, fight and people life are go down a drain. But when you post something like that, they want to say, yo, and everything is supposed to post. Right?
Exactly.
Why you posting this?
Why you never talk about when time the man post, people are fight and people are get stabbed and all them something there. But
exactly.
You want to post, you want to talk down on success.
Yeah, and then if me show acts of kindness or whatever, cause remember me can't drive past homeless people, you know. That's why I'm not like living in a city with Wally for them, you know, cause me go broke. And me always stop and I remember one time I recorded it or whatever, and they must say, yo, oh, how do you think he feel and stuff? I'm here like, do you understand that this person is begging another human for money, which means that his pride is out the window. He's not worried about you. We're worried about.
Yes.
You think you're worried about him being ashamed. He's been shamed.
Yes.
You understand? I know he has somebody here who is giving him, you know what I'm saying, money to do whatever he wants. You know, people have, you know, their mindset where they're like, oh, what if he buys drugs? I don't care if he buys drugs. He's a human. Drugs. If he wants to have a moment of pleasure, he's homeless. He's going through his troubles. Yep. Why can't he have some drugs if he wants? Like, let him do what he wants to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man.
And I think that's the reason why Mayo click, brother, is because we have a similar mindset. When you do have people that post stuff like that for the wrong reasons, but I don't believe the majority is doing it for clout.
Yeah, bro.
All right, and even if they were doing it for clout, why couldn't it translate to them as I'm trying to motivate people to do it?
Influence you. I'm an influencer.
Because you have people that disrespect the homeless and videotape it.
Yeah.
So why can't we videotape acts of kindness towards the homeless people and it not be a problem? You feel like individuals who do that are doing it for clout. Can guarantee you Gyalis in Paris don't need to do that for clout. He can do a voiceover. He can do an original skit.
Exactly. You know what it is? You know what
I know what it is? Are you thinking straight?
You know what I know what it is?
What it is?
when a chip get licked, you know. The reason why them get vexed when them see certain things like that is because they know that they're incapable of showing such humanity. So they feel insecure that, you know what? This person has this power and he's using it for good, but I would never stop for somebody. So them kind of feel bad in that themselves and have to make it look like, say, you are doing something bad. Because as I said, if I leak a video of you talking shit about World Dog or World Dog talking shit about you, them want, yo, send me the video. But if me pull up and say, yo, you know what I'm saying, try and help somebody today, they'll be like, oh, if you're doing an act of kindness, you don't need to record it. No, you know that you don't have the kindness in your heart to do that. So you're insecure and you hate me for being a humanitarian. You understand? So you're insecure about it. You can't trick me. All right?
This is coming from somebody who studies human psychology.
Yeah, like I know how humans think, bro. Psychology was my favorite subject. I could call my mom right now. She has all my assignments stacked up because I used to get A+ through it. psychology, in speech, all those things, I love it. So when it comes to how humans think, I analyze.
Got it.
I can figure all y'all out. I figure you all out, and they hate that. You know what I'm saying? That's why when it comes to like zodiac signs and stuff like that, and
oh my God, hey, let's not even talk about those weirdos.
They get so pissed off because I'm giving you facts.
Yeah,
you get what I'm saying? And at the end of the day, they have to realize that this world is literally based on all theory.
Yes,
it's all theory. There's only a few facts, and a lot of things that you guys believe and go by and worship and everything like that is all theory.
All right, hold on. Hey, the dog's finna get philosophical right now. You understand? We're going easy right now. You understand?
We're gonna get into
that. So make sure say if you follow Gyalis, go into his bio, parisense.com.
Yeah.
Go get the oils.
Yeah.
Right now, I have the Yo Mark oil and I'm on right now. And speaking of Yo Mark, Gyalis, me a pre brother. No, brother, right? Yo, brother. Brother, we go viral for the wrong reason, bro.
You make it go viral for the wrong reason.
Yo, remember I make a video right here. I was sitting right here. I'm gonna stay some man. Go some man. I drink some of the hot sauce. I'm gonna say, yo, Ray. And the dog taste. I make a Mark video. That video went off, bruh. Yo, Mark.
Hey.
Brilliance. Hey. Simply brilliance. Just like the Jamaican culture, you have why you've created another lane or another avenue for sure disapproval in the Jamaican culture with Yo Mark.
Yo.
And I would like to know, my brother, where did that come from?
It still goes back to the whole just keep on doing videos and the one where you have no effort.
Yeah.
When I say that the Mark video them have little to no effort, dog.
Damn.
Brother, I go so bam now.
Damn.
I go so bam now, brother. I'm sleeping.
Yeah.
Side note, just for sure, I don't know what it is about me waking up. My first viral video and my first video done.
Yeah.
That's why I say that sometimes it's not fair, The first video me ever do.
Yeah.
They go up on World Star Hip Hop. And literally I was half asleep when I woke up and just thought about the idea. When you're up, but you're not up.
Yeah.
And then I wake up and say, yo, I want to do that video, yeah. I'm going to do the video and I go viral and go up on World Star. When me at that with the Mark video.
Yeah.
In my room, and my brother outside in the kitchen. And me asleep in that. Like me just wake up. Even what me hear yet, but me can't hear them in the kitchen. And my brother said something about almond milk, right? Him said something about almond milk. And then my other brother say, what you say about almond? And me asleep, brother, me not wake up yet. And then me hear him. And when me actually wake up and brush my teeth and then I hear them and say, you know what? That would be kind of funny. And then it goes back to the idea what I had at first. At first, I was just going to be like, yeah, I want to use almond milk. And it's like, oh, yes, brother. Oh, yo, the man say almond, this and that. So at first, it was just going to be a interaction between me and this person.
Yeah.
But as me I shoot the video, for sure, yes, I never have no idea about no Mark.
Right.
Me I shoot the video, brother. And then me say, you know what? You know what's always funnier is when you talk about somebody in front of them to somebody else. And then me I do the video and I say, yo, you know what? I'm talk to somebody about this and make him have to stand up this and just watch we are talk to.
Yeah.
At this him in front time. And I delete 2 clip and say, all right, I go just call out somebody name and random. I never have no name or nothing like that. I'm gonna say, yo, I'm just randomly call somebody. I'm gonna say, yo, I say, what you say, brother? Yo, Mark, and literally never start about the name. That name they just boom. And then him say, yo, I'm gonna say, yeah, man, say, what him say? Same one, almond milk. Dirty boy, that man. So the funny thing is, that's all the line that Mark had.
Yeah.
So how the hell him become the star? Me confusing. Cause after the video done, I'm see people that say, yo, Mark, I boss. I say, how? So that's a show, yes, I never planned for really do a video like that. In other sense, because it was supposed to be the person behind the counter that was the star of it.
Yeah.
So when everybody when we do the visual now and the customer's point of view and you say Mark and
I think it's that nigga stance, bro.
I feel like it's
that nigga stance. The thing is like
I feel like that's what made them gravitate to him is when I did the visual from the customer's point of view. Because at first, them just did that video that go viral and just the whole video itself was viral. But then I go on TikTok and I say, yo, people always redo audio.
Yeah.
So I say, you know what? Let me just redo my own audio.
Word.
And me use this sound and just reenact everything. And then when it come to Mark, literally, brother, I'm open my closet. I'm going to say, all right, where easy for put on. I only thing I say to myself, you know, where easy I can just throw on real quick. Me see one jacket, put it on, and me look up and just grab the first hat I see. I don't want a red beanie.
Damn.
I'm going to put it on.
Damn.
And if you look at it now, you know, you may have one video where me I reenact one scene from Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
Okay.
And I want short brother with one beanie closed down. And me don't know why, but that little scene there always make me a dead with laugh. So that's why I said, me pull the...
Was he a Mexican? Come on, a Mexican. We know a Mexican wear them beanie like that and then look up. What's up, Holmes?
Yeah. So I was like a Mexican, isn't me, with his shirt off and things. So when we put on the beanie now, I say, you know what? I'm pull it down, just making kind of incognito, you see me? And then me just stand up over this. Brother, it was so random, bro. Like, literally just stand up over this and say, yo.
Mark ain't got no lines, bruh. The man have about 2-3 lines, bruh. But that dude is the star.
The star, brother. Everybody depend. Yo, man, I have people that send me video of them and I fit them jacket and beanie and I say, yo, for Halloween, I'm going to be Mark.
I even saw like somebody made a sketch, bro.
Yeah. They make what, brother?
Damn.
Mark gone on road, man.
Bro, Mark is the new Y.
Yeah, the new Y, brother. Anybody, anything happen, them always depend. What you say? Yo, Mark, I hate that.
Facts.
I hate that, brother. On the internet, every day me get tagged in a video. Or if me look on a video and it kind of lure or whatever, looking at the comments and you will see people say, yo, Mark, and you will see them say, yo, Mark, and then under that comment there, you will see about 20 comments. Blowfish, starfish, clownfish, and all them sit there, you see me?
Shrimp pasta.
Shrimp pasta. Shrimp linguine and all them stuff there.
Seafood platter.
You see me? And you know the funny thing is because I got that idea. It's funny because all the ideas that went viral for me, they were influenced from the younger me. When me do one video, when me live in New York, when I don't know if I don't remember that one when me I try to spit lyrics to a girl, I'm say, yo, roses are red, violets are blue, and then a Jamaican youth, I say, wow, roses can violate this and that. Yo, y'all move like one. But you are ready this and that, and I'm say, yo, snapper, salmon, ready this and
okay.
You see me, and me do that video there, and then when me do this video now, I say, yo, all right, you know what? Me capitalize on that and start say, what heap of different seafood and sea creature.
Yes.
You see me? All the fucking oxtail bone video. I want video me do when me in high school, I do one skit, and then me say something about oxtail bone, and then me just revisit that later. With the oxtail bone video. So it's like I always influence my little younger self. I always influence my older self. So that's where I got the idea from. I don't know where I came up with it when I was in New York or whatever, but me just start say, yo, snapper, salmon. And then when me do Mark video now, I say, yo, let me get deeper in that little venue there and really start say, you know, yo, clam, oyster.
Yeah.
You see me, sprat, sardine, and all them things there. And then it just catch.
Bro, I can honestly say, bro, that's a carving. That is a carving in the Jamaican culture. That's never going away. If white don't go nowhere, yo, Mark, not going nowhere. That's, you've literally carved your way into the Jamaican culture. Because they don't know, we show our disapproval differently. We're creative with it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And to be honest with you, when you make that video there, bro, I was hoping you were gonna make that video, bro. Cause I'm like, yo, bro, if Gyalis and Paris make a video for that, bro, it's like, yo, you know that shit is gonna go far, bro. Like I purposely put that shit out, bro. Cause I'm like, listen, I didn't know people fool too, bro. Like, you must say, yo, you get catch, bro. I'm the one that put it out, bro. And me put it up, brother.
Brother, people hear that. Me know that from me see the video. Me know that because I don't know if I delete that clip there.
Bro,
you a control it.
And me put on a video like, yo boy, naughty boy, I get catch. What? What I get catch with, bro?
Hey.
And me send it a road. So I'm like, when the dog make it, bro, honestly, bro, I didn't feel no way. I message the dog and say, yo, big up this funny as fuck. Because, bro, them type of thing there are them thing that Jamaican love. Gyalis in Paris, send the video a road, bro. Feet get even further. And I'm gonna lie to you, that video, I put it on my TikTok and I put it on my Instagram. And I can tell you, sir, that video did numbers on my page. So you can imagine waiting up on Gyalis page.
Yeah.
Bruh. Come there to say to make the party and put the Walker's Wood. The Walker's Wood pepper sauce.
Yeah.
I might say Walker's Wood taste nice. I'm gonna say so. And I might say, yo, Mark! And I'm like, you did like, you have like
the boom mic.
Yeah. And the man stay so. A quick silence about a good 8 seconds. It got to me. It got to the character of the mic. It got to me. It got to the character of the mic. And then the man say, yo, Mark! Yo! And they hear the blood clot team music.
Yeah.
Bruh, creativity at its finest, brother.
Yeah.
What the man just said 5 minutes ago, brother? The man called a random name. The man put on some random clothes. And look what he did. He carved his way into the Jamaican culture, bruh. Mark is going nowhere. Why? Mark is the new why. Under every loop post me see in the Jamaican space, bruh. Yo, Mark!
Starfish.
Me not to see why again, brother. Or bun up. Yo, Mark!
Yeah. Have an emoji, GIF.
You know what I'm saying? Bro, ain't it? Bro, when me see the dog, they create some blood clot stickers.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what the fuck? This shit is serious, ain't it? You see what I say? Bro, as we say, in the segment, bro, don't stop making videos, bruh. You never know what will pop.
Never know. Keep it going.
You never know, bro. As me I tell you no. I say it in the segment before this, I say it again. Stop hating on who you should be learning from, bruh. Me I tell you no. Because this is the new why. And them mania, when it comes to creation, content creation, bruh. The dog have a platform, yeah. Him have a big platform, but it still takes creativity. Because even if you have a big platform and him there put out fuckery, nobody wouldn't gravitate towards it.
Yeah, they wouldn't.
Him would have just have more people that say, yo, I fuck with this. But once you put out quality content and people take to it, you know so you're gonna lead. And Mark gonna lead. Remember, I know, random name, random clothes, random conversation where him ear when him half asleep. And the dog got some man create a video. And it gonna lead. Don't stop making video, youth. Don't stop making video because you never know. What the man just tell me, like, bro, your video might come tomorrow. Might come next year, next month. You never know, bruh. Mark carved his way into the Jamaican culture and it's not leaving, bro. It's not going nowhere. So, besides Mark, you have any other thing planned or your thing it's just spur of the moment thing?
It's literally spur of the moment. After I done my last video,
yeah,
I not think about another video.
Damn.
So remember, when we do the almond milk one, we never plan for do no more at that video there, but
yeah,
everybody request it,
yeah,
and it's fun for me. So
yeah,
that's why. You see the Mark video them, it's the most fun I've had doing a video than I've had in a long time.
Wow.
That's why I do so much of it. Like usually when people request more video, I say no. You take what I give you, that's it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
I don't want to do no more and steal it out.
Yeah.
But because they are crave it, and literally when I do them video there, me are dead with love. Like I genuinely have a good time making those videos. So that's why I'm keep on and do it. And I say, yo, you know what? These are fun as fuck to make.
Yeah.
So that's why I continued it. But most of the time I usually just let it, make it, simmer out. Or if I do one video, I just left it alone and Cause that's one thing we know. You have to know when to stop.
Listen to him.
You have to know. You can't make one video go viral and then you go subbab now and try keep on do the same thing. No. Because it go viral last time. You will steal out yourself. So don't follow how much Mark video me doing. Them they are requested hard. So that's why I get away with it. But naturally, you do one viral video, make it go on, make it run its course, because I've seen it happen a lot and it tear people down because them say, yo, all right, them not no more idea.
Yeah, nothing else. What else you got?
So that's why I'm glad say when me do the Mark video, me do other me purposely say, yo, the next video me do is gonna be a different skit. And then me end up after me do the Mark video, me do the one next video we go viral. Where the one we end up on Shade Room, the one we end up on, cause what if different followers start following me them time. Again, boy, from Mark skit, again 20,000 follower. 20,000.
God damn.
Remember, you know, when we start Mark video, I was at 298K.
I
know maybe at 324K. I get over 20,000 followers just from Mark video them alone.
I tell you this, my favorite Mark video is that fucking fine ass girl with the pretty ass teeth.
Oh, you talking about Just Leo Wang?
Bumbleclot. Yo, that girl is pretty than a motherfucker, boy.
She's gorgeous, bro. And
she is gorgeous, my boy.
Very humble, very easy to work
Mama.
with. Yeah, very easy.
One thing with you, mom. Yo, I can rate, bro. I rate you fuck, bro. Bro, the ladies love you, my nigga.
Them because them feel comfortable around me.
And you, bro, what I be saying in these videos, you niggas need to listen to me, bro. Stop being weirdos to these girls, bro.
Stop being weirdos, bro. Every time a girl works with me or come around me, I don't try to touch their crotch, bro.
Exactly.
You gotta relax. That's why they come around so much, is because they know that
they're comfortable.
They're comfortable.
See what I'm saying? And I'm gonna tell you this right now. If you are female and you're disrespectful, if I'm in the mood, I will go toe to toe with you. I make you know so you don't fuck with me. Like I diss you back just like how you diss me.
Hey, one time Negus found out we had in Imara. That him and one girl go toe to toe. Me not getting a detail, but the man let the girl cry. I mean, I said, Negus?
This dirty one. What you say that? No.
No, man, this man savage.
Nah, bro. I love women, bro, but I don't like disrespectful females, bro. I don't like it, bro, because at the end of the day, bro, when it comes to female, bro, when I'm dealing with men, I gotta deal with women. You gotta be in your masculine frame, same way. Yeah. But dealing with men, you gotta really be in your masculine frame. So when I'm dealing with women, I kind of take it down a notch because I don't want them to feel like, damn, this dude, he moving too macho, or you know what I mean? I'm threatening their femininity, making them feel smaller than they are. Bro, but that girl tried me, dog. She tried the fuck out of me, bro.
Hey, I'm in the kitchen. She run over to me. I'm like, yo, come here, sweetheart. It's okay. He doesn't mean it. I mean, like, yo, me and Dina look for niggas. I mean, like, niggas, yo, Bill, no man.
Bro, I swear to God, bro. And sweetie, if you're watching this, Bobby, I did not mean nothing I say, but I had to let you know, don't play with me. Don't do it, because I did not. Bro, there was another girl there. And she was like, so why chef go on so? Like, the whole night she answer Negus strong and where she deal with Negus strong and where. Is it because I'm short? Why you dealing with some mama?
Yeah, that's why I was like, well, I mean, cause I know all niggas stay, I know I'm stay the same way too. You know, if you try to violate me, I go don't open the door, cause when you open the door, me run through it.
Is it because I'm short? You are dealing with her? The girl, like, she put her arm on my shoulder and she said, and I'm like, no, don't do that, mama. I like the boobies. But booby, you go past the line, mama. Never like that. And I just want to let you know right now, I don't know your name, but I'm not going to say I apologize, but I did not mean what I said to you. I just needed you to behave yourself that night. But anyway, what may I say is, bro, you are fucking, the ladies love you, bro. The ladies love you. And what he got to say and what I got to say is just stop being weird to the ladies, bro. Stop trying to get in their crotch every blood clot minute, bro.
Yeah, bro. Like,
you ain't gotta. And every girl that come around, you have to try a touch.
Yeah.
And every girl that come around.
And you know the funny thing is, because one of the perks of them being comfortable around me is them show me. I don't request it, you know. I don't request it, but them show me the messages and the text messages and all that stuff, and I'm here just like, yo, there's a point where some girl was showing me something, dog, and I'm here like, there's no way. This is fake news. There's no way.
For some niggas to be
yeah. You're this thirsty and this girl's. I'm like, there's no fucking way. They tell us. You know how much times girls come to me and tell me, say, yo, you know, say your friend. They are kind of chat you, like, because them, like, you have a brethren where, like, a girl and she their own we, and then them a tell she, say, yo, you know, say, oh, them just a try fuck you, and yo, that girl is in Paris, you know.
Basically, I don't play your thing, I water down your thing.
I mean, I say, brother, and me not malice them, you know. Me not look on them, me just say to myself, say, yo, brother, just try a new way to get girl, brother, because this not work, because them are always come back to every single time they come back to me.
Not you.
Yeah, they always come back to me and make me know, say, yo, you know, say that brother there. You see me? I mean, we yell in a party, I feel sorry for you. Come here and say, yo, if you call my name, if you try to get me out of the picture for your guitar, then you have more things to work on, brother. And me and your problem. You know what I'm saying? And they always do it, dog. I've seen it happen so much times where brethren, like, you see me? My brethren, say, yo, and them a talk down to me.
No. Niggas who you think is your brethren.
Think I'm a brethren.
Real niggas ain't gonna do that to their own boy.
Like,
bruh. I've seen my homeboys, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, bitches be flocking. Like, let's say we in a crowd. Like, me and my nigga, you know what I mean? Just me and him alone in a crowd of women. And I've been in situations where he was the talk of the night. Mm-hmm. What I gotta do? But us blood clot humble, brother. They're not feeling me. What I'm gonna do? Be jealous of this nigga? They're not feeling you, bruh. What am I gonna do? Oh, yo, you know, say, yo, you see boy Gyalis, yo, don't talk to them money just fuck girl and left them, you know. No. You're being a weirdo, bro.
Weird.
Another thing that make them a weirdo, these girls could just tell you, hi, or they, you know, them just nice. Hi, you enjoying yourself? Just being cordial. Casual conversation. The girl don't want you, bro. She doesn't want you. She's just saying hello and having good conversation. Chill.
You know what I like though? Some man though, if you try to deter you from a woman. You ever have a like you try to talk to a girl or whatever, and then your brethren tell you say she love him off or something like that. I mean, I say, she love you off. And then when you look on the message them and you say, really? So it's like they would tell you say, yo, you know, so the shower is a flirt with me or she love me off and them thing. I mean, I say, brother, come in, man. Chill, man. You know, I mean, I say like, yeah, and everything if you take up and feel like the girl love you off because she friendly like him say, like she say, yo, this and that, oh, you guys are good, or this and that, and yeah, just take it as she want to suck me. No. You see me, like what? Simple hello because she touch your shoulder, she want to have your pick-me. How does that even work, bro? Like, I just promote people treating other people like human beings.
Yeah.
Stop looking upon people like them a piece of meat or them. Yeah. It just has to be sexual. Like, it has to be. All right. Young men, older men, whatever, you will get more pum-pum the more you expect no pum-pum. You see, the moment you stop expect pum-pum, you will get more pum-pum. That's the trick. I shouldn't tell you guys that, but I'm telling you now.
Tell them, bro.
The life hack of getting pum-pum is not to expect pum-pum.
I'm piggybacking off what he said. Why do you think niggas who care less about the females get more females? Niggas who act like assholes. I'm not telling you to go act like no assholes, but don't be a step over. Don't be a blood clot doormat, bruh.
That's simple.
Don't be a doormat. You got to be somebody who is firm within his masculinity, who would let these bitches be like, damn, like, why is he like, I'm curious now. Like, he like, everybody else in the room is dying over me. Why isn't he doing that? And then they're going to come and blood clot, touch your leg. They're going to touch your chest when they laugh. She wants to fuck now.
Yeah. No cap. That's how it works.
Young men, I'm not telling you to act like no goddamn asshole, bruh. Yeah. But don't be a doormat, bruh. Mm-hmm. Don't be a goddamn doormat.
Yeah. Y'all sell your soul for the pum-pum.
Yes.
Bro. Like, relax.
You will sell it. And then, no, them go show a blood clot man like Gyalis or a man like me. The text matches them. Oh, look at this lame. Oh my God, Gyalis, look at him. He's texting me, oh, he wants to do this with me and murder. I just met him.
Yeah.
You're weird, bro.
You know how much girl I go out with and them come back to me with drink where Uno buy them and I give me. And I'm like, yo, one, that's why I don't buy drinks for women. And then two, I'm just like, yo, when you feel like you forget them sitting and forget something back, you will always lose that. Girls look at you like you're clowns, bro.
True.
You know, I'm telling you, like, literally hundreds of times, I've gone out with my female friends and them come back with drink or buckle. Me say girl come back with our 2 NC buckle and be like, oh, them boy over there, so give me and say them want me to have them. And then put right on my table. And me drink that bum buckle.
Yeah, we're gonna drink it.
We gonna drink that shit because guess what? You need to look over and see that they done offered off your liquor.
Yes, sir.
Like, just be genuine. If another thing too, Jesus Christ.
Teach them.
Please learn how to read woman body language.
Yes, sir.
I cannot stand being in a party and a girl is clearly not interested and you're just in a the girl face.
Yes.
Me shameful now. You ever have second-hand embarrassment, dog?
Yes, sir.
I say, brother,
like,
give it up.
Like, dude touching her certain parts of her body, and she's like, let's say, put her hand on her shoulder, and she's like,
yeah, and she,
and you keep touching her on her shoulder. You see that she's brushing it off, and you keep touching her. Read the room, bruh.
Please read the room, bro. Yeah, I can't talk with her, and she go on like she talk to somebody else.
Exactly.
Or she try get her from. It's like, bro.
Shame.
I'm
not gonna lie, bro. Hey, there was a point in time I couldn't read the room, bro. I was this thing. I wouldn't know what aggressive like that, but I'll get in my feelings, bro. And you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Turn on some Celine Dion and them thing there. See me? If it was good time. Is it me? But I feel some type of fuck that bitch. Feel some type of way. But the older I became, bro, the more female friends I accumulated.
Yeah.
They spoke to me and they like put me on game. I tell you this right now. I never really have like a lot of niggas that put me on game. I learned the game for myself. I had like, there's a lot of girls that was trial and error that will never talk back to me because at that time it was just trial and error. Mm-hmm. So some of the females now, like I would say the last 10 years of my life, I learned to read the room. I learned to do certain things that'll make me and them communicate and, you know, deal with each other effortlessly. Mm-hmm. So as we have said, brother, learn to read the room. Stop being weird. A hello doesn't mean she wants you.
Haze and stuff. I remember my homegirl posted the other day in her story, scrolling through her DMs with this one dude, a beer, hey, how you doing? She's not responding at all.
You talking to yourself, boy.
And I'm like, yo, this guy is a special kind of human, bro. Like,
you talking to yourself.
Like, you need to be admitted, bro. Like, it takes a different kind of person. It takes a psycho person. I talk to somebody and them not respond. And you just send message. Cause remember, insanity is doing the same thing and expecting
over and over. Expecting the same results.
Yeah. There's no way in hell you can't tell me say you right in your head. And text that girl like, hey, how you doing? Let me take you out. Hey. And she's not responding, but you're still sending them a plethora. Just sending messages in abundance, and it's like they're not responding. How do you sleep at night?
I'm ashamed for you guys.
I'm ashamed for you. You understand?
I'm ashamed.
You have to do better. You can't just. That's why you give man bad name, and it's like that's why them feel like for pum man with dash with morals, and man just would do anything.
Yes.
Because you have some man out there where literally will sell them soul feet.
Yes.
Them not care.
Yes.
Is it me?
So closing out this segment, Gyalis, do you have anything? Give me one last gem you want to share with these waste men. A waste man them, dog.
Yeah. So what I gotta do now is I gotta tell you now a quote. Mm-hmm. The waste man, me feel like me address you underneath for just build and read the room, be patient and respect the boundaries of a female. You understand? For the people them where in our real life now, business wise, socially, family wise, just in life in general. One quote that I live by, you understand? Because you have some people where them very stressed and life is overwhelming for them and they're thinking about the future and they don't know where their journey will end. But one quote that I live by is, even though in your dark times and you're stressful and you're worried about the future, if you do what you need to do today, the future will take care of itself. So I live by that because sometimes you will try to think where you're going to get your next, payment for your bills or, how your life is going to end up certain places or whatever. But as long as you just stay focused and do what you need to do today, the future will always take care of itself. So don't think about the future too much and dwell on it. Do what you know you have to do today. Get yourself together. If you know, say, if you find a job, fill out the application today. Don't think about where you're going to be next week. Do what you need to do today, and the future will take care of itself.
Yes, and bro, you don't know, so when time we, as Jamaicans, stay in the news, you know, brother, for our glory, you know, there's going to be a lot of haters. And this time when we are in the media, there's a lot of hate. And the hate is stemming from our constant winnings in the track and field, in the Olympics, and then the Nike Classic.
Yes.
And then we see where our American brothers and sisters, not all, not even most, but some, they don't take kindly to that. They've been hating on our sisters that sweep 1, 2, 3. Elaine Thomas, Hera.
Brianna Williams.
Big up Brianna Williams. She's Elaine, what, 19-year-old?
Yeah. Elaine.
Sharika Jackson.
It's me I say. It's just then. Yeah.
And Makal Elaine. My girl name. What's your name? Shelly-Ann, Elaine, Sharika, Brianna.
Mm-hmm.
Big up on yourself. Jamaican male sprinters, big up on yourself, same way. It's hard training to be a sprinter, so we never gonna take that from you, brother.
Of course.
Next 4 years, see we again. Loyalty up, same way. But big up to the ladies because them are represent Jamaica right now. So we've been in the news lately, bruh.
Yeah.
And we see a lot of hate being directed our way for reasons beyond our comprehension. Because, you know, the most popular American sprinter right now, which is a female, you know, women power up there. We always big up women.
Yeah.
What's your name again?
Sha'Carri.
I don't even remember your name, mama. Sha'Carri Richardson.
Sha'Carri.
Yeah. You spoke a lot of big stuff, but you couldn't back it up.
Mm-hmm.
You ran your mouth faster than your legs. And if you had ran your legs faster as your mouth, you would have beat our Jamaican girls.
Or at least one of them.
At least one of them. You didn't even beat Brianna. She's 19. She's 19. Brianna is 19.
Sha'Carri, how much?
She's 21.
Okay.
You're 21? You know that TikTok 21? Sound? You're 21? No, you're 20? Yeah. You're 20?
20?
You see me?
20? I just noticed that one day. No?
You're 20? Mama, Sha'Carri, you liked a tweet the other day saying, Goldie, Young Jules, you made a tweet talking about Jamaicans walking barefoot to our coconut stand every day for a living. I just want to ask you guys, can't you guys find some more disrespectful jokes? That's played out. Your banana boat jokes are played out. Your coconut stand jokes are played out. Your dirt road jokes are played out. They're lame.
Do better, bro. Like,
do better.
Some more intellectual jokes than that. We're good sports. Yeah. Jamaican people are
Jamaican,
good sports.
We're good sports. We can take a joke.
We can take a joke, but if you make stupid joke, like I don't think any Jamaican was literally offended.
No,
because it's like, really,
like, come on. We got the same thing you got in America. Like, we got Starbucks. We got Pizza Hut.
Wendy's,
Domino's, Wendy's, we got everything. We got skyscrapers, we got everything.
Come on now, do better.
Are you updated to 2021 Jamaica, or you're still stuck in the Stellar got a groove back? Yeah, man, come dance with us, man.
Yeah.
No, that's not Jamaicans, bruh. We are past that right now. Yeah. So your jokes and your disrespect is
Yeah, but that's how you know that, like, you can't tell somebody who's hurt from losing, you know.
They're hurt.
Like, you try reach into that, you're reaching out your back pocket for walk down the street for coconut field.
Barefoot.
Like, what?
We got Nike,
fuck?
we got Adidas, we got everything you guys got in America.
That's like, you know, but that's like, that's how you know when people are losing. It's like, you know, when you're losing and someone say, oh, well, that's why your dad left you. Like, that's that's where you're going to go to?
Really?
You're losing, so you're going to try and hurt my feelings?
This is another thing they go to, bruh.
Come on, bro. Like, what?
Felix.
We're an island. You want to make it seem like we're a fucking, like, you know what I'm saying?
Back
like
of
we're
time.
Poor and like this third world country that can't. Come on, son.
Yeah.
Get the fuck out of here. Y'all, we import shit over here just as much as y'all import shit over there, bro.
Yes, sir.
Y'all need shit from us too, nigga.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? Don't do that. But at the same time, like, it's sports. How can you really get upset with Jamaicans? Like, have you ever seen Jamaicans play dominoes with their family members?
Oh my God.
And you're upset because of how we're doing Sha'Carri after she was talking shit. And
she was talking big shit.
You was talking big shit, bro. You made a whole TikTok talking about, oh, I took a month off, but now and you took the shit up. Like, that's being showboat. And like, like, of course, we love the confidence, but when you lose, you have to know what comes with it. If you're that confident and you lose, you're going to get clowned, bro.
Bro, her own American citizens were clowning her. They were like, yo, listen, time to hang it up.
Like, relax.
Jamaicans now, they smoking on Sha'Carri pack. Because, you know, Jamaicans don't talk about that pack business. That's American
exactly.
thing. So your own brothers and sisters are saying, we smoked your pack. We smoked your pack.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Because guess what? At the end of the day, right? Because they were saying that, oh, the reason why they're pissed is because here, like, people flip sides. And I'm here like, it's not so much flipping sides. What the people, and it definitely wasn't me. So y'all can't come to me about that, because when she got disqualified with the weed, I said on my story that it has nothing to do literally with the weed, but if you are a professional and they say no weed, even if they say you can't eat meat, my nigga.
Yes.
At the end of the day, it is their regulations. If you take it serious, you follow their rules. Remember, as Caribbean people, we know that once you live in somebody else, and no matter what them tell you, you have to follow by
them rules.
No matter if you agree with it. So if them say this is the Olympics, whatever, and them say no weed in your system, you were supposed to discipline and no say, yo, don't smoke no weed. So you getting disqualified. I was with it.
Yes.
So nobody don't want to come to me and tell me, say, me a flop.
Yes.
I said she should have followed it. You know what I'm saying? But everybody was preaching towards the whole she getting disqualified. That doesn't mean that we uplifted her and then drop her. The internet is a place where it's full of jokes, bro. You were talking shit and saying, oh, remember when the Jamaican them race 1, 2, 3? Where you post? Miss me yet? That's subliminal. You know you were throwing shade. Like, oh, you miss me yet? You let the Jamaicans beat y'all?
And you know what? She said all that stuff, bro. And when Jamaicans talk, they make it look like we're bullies. Oh, and then they talk about, oh, Alex and Felix, she got more gold. She's the most decorated. We're not talking about Alex Felix right now. We're not talking about her. Yes, she's the most decorated Olympian, track and field. But we are talking about Sha'Carri. She don't even got one medal. Not one. Yeah. She got the same amount of medals I got. 0.
Yeah. And hey, listen. If she had gotten at least 4th place,
we could have said, all right then.
So, all right, you know what? We knew she wasn't going to beat the Jamaicans. So
exactly.
We would still give her the props of saying, yo, she's still a very talented person. But the fact that you were talking to shit and you came in last.
It's one race.
And then.
I'm not done.
Yeah, you say you're not done. And you say, I'm the 6th fastest person in this game. But you just got beat by 8 people.
You're 9th.
Does that make sense? You're the 6th fastest, but you just got beat by 8 people.
You're 9th.
And at the end of the day, like I said, like I don't like, you know, really sounding like we're bashing anybody, because I want to uplift for everybody. Yes. Sha'Carri, we're not taking away that she's talented. All it is you were talking your shit. We're gonna talk shit back. Yes. No Jamaican personally hates Sha'Carri.
No,
we do not hate her,
and I don't think they get that, bro. I think that they're just so hell bent on being losers right now.
Yeah, they're emotional right now.
They're emotional.
We're not hating you. That's anything in sports. It's not just track and nigga. Yes. If I'm a fan of Heat and he's a fan of Golden Warrior, the Golden State Warriors or whatever, and he's like, oh, we about to wash y'all, and the Heat beat the Warriors, you think I'm gonna be like, oh, you were wrong, sir? But I'm gonna be like, nigga, like you suck my, you know what I'm saying?
But the thing is, bro, they as Americans do the same thing, bro.
They do the same shit,
so
bro.
It's like coming from another country, you should shut up. No, Why are you guys like that? I don't understand.
Them bias.
Talking shit isn't exclusive to one country.
No. Or if you want to be, you want to have favoritism or because she went through a lot.
Bro, when it comes to, what would it look like if Jamaicans were very disrespectful as some, because I love my American brothers and sisters that want to love me too, or love me too. But what if Jamaicans were just as petty and say, oh, that's why white people are dealing with you like this in this country? What if we stoop to that level and say, that's why you guys get killed? We would be disrespectful as hell, huh?
Yeah.
But you guys took it to the level of saying we're barefoot and we walk to our coconut stand every day for a living? Do you know that we have some of the best nurses and best doctors in the world? Do you know that? Do you know that we have some of the best teachers in the world? Do you know about our education system? We had electricity before America. Go Google it. Go and Google it. I'm not arguing with none of y'all. But if we had stooped to your level, it would have been blown out of proportion, bro.
Of course.
Because we can, but we don't because we're good sports. Yeah. If Jamaicans had lost and Americans were like ripping us a new one, bro, we would have been like, all right, cool.
Yeah, like, hey, you know what? You right.
Yeah. It's all right.
Because that Jamaica.
You got me.
That's what we're about, yo. Like, when it comes to competition, talking shit, remember I said, just like how you say we only have coconut stands, all we have is track. Let us have it.
That's all we got.
According to you guys, still, to your logic, let us have it. If we only have coconut stands, let us have the win.
They got
talking shit.
They got basketball. They got American football. Hey. What else they got? Yeah. NASCAR.
Yeah, hockey.
You got hockey. You guys got everything. Hey. All we got is track and field. And we are very passionate about track and field.
Clearly, since we keep beating y'all. You know out of here, son. You know what I'm saying? Like, are y'all even trying at this point, my nigga? Like,
you know what I'm saying? Are you even trying?
Hey, and you know the funny thing is, like, y'all trying to make it seem like Jamaicans are unreasonable. My nigga, have you ever went to a football game? Like, let's say you ever went to a football game over in in Europe or Spain and everything like that. You see you ever see the losing team trying to get out the stadium? You talk about our memes and our comments. Have you ever seen a football game end where the fans lose and the fans of the opposing team have to fight their way out of the stadium, my nigga?
Just like the other day, Italians were getting their ass whooped.
Are you dead ass?
Hold on. Who was getting their ass whooped?
Fucking, I don't know, man.
I remember who the Italian fuck? Somebody that play, bro.
Yeah, and
they were getting their ass whooped to come out the stadium.
Yeah, they was not getting out there alive, son.
They were getting their ass physical beaten.
But that just show y'all how foreign people take sports very fucking serious.
Yes.
And y'all take sports serious too. Y'all just don't want to admit it. But foreign people take sports very fucking serious. And I'm saying, and Jamaica is track. If y'all beat us in fucking basketball, we wouldn't give a fuck.
Yeah, we wouldn't care.
We wouldn't give a shit, nigga.
That's not our stuff.
You know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? Like this, but track is where we shine.
Yes.
Let us have that. You was talking your shit, and then we
showed you up.
That's in anything. That's in anything. If a girl told you that she could take her man, and then your man dub her, you gonna be talking your shit.
Bro, that's the thing, bro.
Be talking your shit. You won.
So I'm thinking, is it really the fact that we're talking shit? Or do they genuinely hate us, bruh? And when I say they, I'm not talking the masses of my American black brothers and sisters, because I got black American brothers and sisters that I love and they love me. So when I made a video about Sha'Carri, bro, and it's like some of the black Americans, they were like, oh, Sha'Carri is not a representation of black America. You don't have to explain yourself to me. I know she's not a representation of black America. But what I'm saying is that for the ones who feel like how they feel towards Jamaicans, like no, there shouldn't be genuine hate there. We're just talking shit. Like how Americans talk shit. Bro, Americans talk big shit, bro.
From when playoffs is going off, remember, I'm a basketball fan.
Yeah, you are.
When playoffs is going on, my nigga.
Yeah.
And you have the two teams.
Big shit.
You have LeBron on this side and you have fucking Curry on this side.
Yeah.
There is no friendships.
No friendships, bro.
Households are divided.
You know
what I'm saying? So that's why I'm so appalled and confused. I am baffled, flabbergasted at the way that Americans are acting when y'all saw that she was talking shit, bro. And we won. We won.
Bro. When all right. Look, when she got caught smoking weed, right? A lot of Americans were like, yo, I'm not watching the Olympics. Yo, I'm not watching. Sha'Carri's not performing. I'm not watching the Olympics. Now, she's one black woman. You had multiple black women, multiple black people from America, representing America, performing in the Olympics. But you said you weren't going to watch the Olympics for one black woman that failed to follow the rules. Okay? And then now, when she came out with the tweet about, do you miss me yet? I saw a lot of comments said, girl, slow down. You're getting ahead of yourself. Take it easy. We were all rooting for you, but now you're getting too hype. This is your own people talking now.
Yep.
You're getting too hype. Take it easy. You did that to yourself. You showed out. You didn't show out at the Nike Classic. What is it called? Prefontaine or Prefontaine? You didn't do anything. Your American people said that you need to stop talking shit. Even, bro, her post-interview, bro. This is one race. I'm not done. I'm the 6th fastest woman in the... You cursed on national TV.
What was the reason for that? That was a lack of sportsmanship.
You changed your profile picture on Twitter when Shelly and Fraser was walking behind you, looking at you, talking shit. You're trolling. Hey. And then you're going to like a tweet by somebody talking, oh, you got to walk to your coconut stand barefoot to make a living every day. Have you ever been to the Mississippi Delta?
And you know, I know there's probably a whole heap of different explanations for this, but at the same time, it's like I've never seen the winner get interviewed after the fact in the back. You understand? Remember, I said them interview Sha'Carri and then Alien get interview in the back with her jacket on, which means that the race long done.
Long done.
Jacket and everything. I understand, say, all right, the hype was over Sha'Carri and I give her a big introduction before the race with her, I click her finger them on the table and all them something there. But I feel like that was a big disrespect to Jamaica. She win. Every winner, them are the first person you run to, you catch and say, yo, interview right now if you hear what you say. And then you get the person who is literally in last place. I've never seen the last place person get interviewed.
And that is a big disrespect to us.
And then she was not even professional about it. She was a sore loser. What she should have said, I don't know where her representative was or wherever, but what she should have said was...
She don't have a good PR team.
She does not. Because they should have never let her get that interview with her. Because you can tell that she is somebody, all right, then once she's young, you can tell that she is somebody who is very emotional. So when she come in, what she should have said was that, you know, we trained hard. We wanted to perform. We congratulations to the winners, but we just have to get back to training and work harder for next time. No, she want try put out what she do already for try overpower where just happen. I thought about said she's still the 6th person. Y'all know what she's capable of. You see me? That is not a professional. That is not somebody who is a professional athlete. And at NIDA, people can say, yo, she's young, so blah, blah, blah. But there's a lot of other young people that do certain things that you guys don't give them a pass for. At the NIDA, they need accountability. So she can be young. In later years, next years, we can say, all right, you know, she was young, but at NID, you can't just make her get away with anything where she want to get away because she's young. That's unacceptable.
Yep.
It's unacceptable. You're in this, you have to know what it comes with.
Yes.
Whether you're young or not, there's younger people who are in the business who know how to handle it.
Yep.
Better than that. And if you don't, your representative step inside and say, yo, listen, this is where it's supposed to go. And you teach them how it works, because you can't go on Bumbuckler at NBC and I say, yo, you can talk all the shit you want, but blah, 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 this and that. Like, no, whether you're 6 years old or not, you're in this business. Remember, you know, you're supposed to be a big dog, you know. Remember, she's the 6th fastest person time However, she's on the time. You're supposed to act like you're the fastest person. You're supposed to make something like that mash up your character.
But Predis, Alex, what's your name? Alex and Felix.
Mm-hmm.
She was on Jimmy Kimmel, I think, right?
Yeah.
And she extended nothing but positivity and love for her countrymate, her own teammate. And she said, you know, she needs all the love and support. You know what I mean? She needs that right now. This girl is gonna go on her Instagram stories and make a post about love shown on national TV or something like that is as real as nothing.
Nothing at all.
What? This is somebody who's your countrymate showing you love.
Yeah. You see that?
How disrespectful can you be?
And then you see the people, the same people who they are defend her, are coming and I say, brother, we can't defend
you. We can't defend you now. Your own countrymen say they can't defend you now.
Like, but that show you the character with the Jamaican them people them see from morning, but when they attack we.
They were attacking us.
No, you see it for yourself, the kind of person she is. You understand? So, I ain't idea, man. Sometimes I have to just sit back and all if you not agree with something, because sometimes some Jamaican people do sit, you know. And me not gonna say nothing.
Yeah.
I sit back and not say nothing. You see, if you know somebody had do something wrong,
yeah,
let them get the heat where them I get. Don't try running and defend something where I fuck with. Cause look stupid now. So the same people them when I say switch pan her and was uplifting her no one. Then no, I don't. No one I do the same thing now because when I see that and no one have to tell her I say, yo, no, I can't defend her because you're fuckery.
Yep.
So no, you're in the same position as when you were dissing us about doing that.
Yep.
So no, it's like, you know, cause she was American against Jamaican. It was never Americans against Jamaican thing. It was never Americans against Jamaicans. So I mean, I understand how everybody getting and make it like we're celebrating, and you know how we stay. They see Americans repost videos of Jamaicans playing dominoes and playing Ludi and all them things, how we are mash up table. But bro, when Uno I feel the heat, Uno don't like it.
You said in the first 5 minutes of this video right here, you said when family members are playing dominoes.
Yeah.
Do you know how aggressive that game is?
Hey, when we are playing domino and Ludi, me hate anybody who say, you know, that's serious. Suck your mother.
Straight up.
If you win, you can go dead.
Straight up.
So we stay. You're pussy hole, you're this, you're that. If you lose, if you kill me, I want to kill you back.
Straight up.
I saw with competition, sports, and anything where
any competition in Jamaica, we take that serious and we are playing with family members.
Exactly.
If you're a stranger.
Yeah. If me and Negus right now, you say, oh, me and him good, I'm my brother this. If me and him play Ludi, you think I'm a brother? He is not my brother.
Danger.
He is not my brother if we are play Ludi or dominoes.
Oh, we play Ludi already and this shit is tense.
Yeah, you can't sensitive. If we are play all ping pong, table tennis,
this
me and him another brother.
He beat me up already.
Me no ramping a table tennis. So that me I telling you right now. If you never know, Gyalis in Paris now ramping a bomb buckler table tennis. You understand? You understand? But as I said, people, when you know how to dish it, you have to know how to take it back.
Facts.
And that's literally exactly what happened. Sha'Carri was very, very, very confident and would love to see it. Yes. But you can't finish in our last place and feel like everybody are gonna just pat you on your shoulder. Yeah. No, we're going to talk shit, bro. Stop being sensitive. If you're not if you're not prepared for it, come off the internet. This is the internet. I look on shared room and memes and all them things that them always make joke at people where life's serious.
Yes.
Look all as much as R. Kelly and them thing there. It's still a human being. He's still going through sitting and going to jail and everything like that. He's guilty or whatever. But look at all the jokes people are making with somebody's pitney. This is somebody's kid.
Facts.
And as evil as he might be, it's still something that should not be taken light of. When Jamaica have earthquake the other day, be a skit.
Yep.
But Jamaica earthquake were potentially fatal for people. And we are make joke. But when a butt hurt because we are make joke of a Sha'Carri, yo, come off a bumbuckler internet.
Get off the internet.
Bumbuckler Palm Pilot or something. Get a
CD
player,
off the internet.
You can't manage the internet, man.
Go back to BBM days. Go back to Nokia 3310.
Yeah, you can't manage this world, man. The world too strong for you, man. You see me? And I just build and go on. Jamaican people get hit all the while.
Sha'Carri, I'll tell you this. Jamaica don't hate you. We hate your cockiness that you can't back up. Look at Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali is the cockiest athlete America has ever seen.
Mm-hmm.
Muhammad Ali is the cockiest athlete America has ever seen. And what did he do? He backed it up every time.
Every time.
Until he lost.
Look on blood clot. Look how much people hate Floyd Mayweather.
Okay.
You guys, see, that's the thing. You guys are acting like this is the first. Anybody. You guys are talking about black people. No.
Yes.
Anybody hates somebody who is too cocky or too bossy.
Yes.
And them will back it up. Them literally automatically hate them.
Yep.
So don't act like when she's cocky that people is supposed to be like, okay, yeah, that's how you're supposed to be. No, naturally human behavior, you got depend. Yo, I want to see that person you lose.
Yeah.
Look how Floyd Mayweather is one of the greatest boxers out there. I don't know,
cocky
upset.
as hell.
I don't hate him enough because he might talk shit and he might win.
Mm-hmm.
I don't hate him.
Yep.
But I don't want to switch around and because she lose, I don't want to hate the people them where hate her when I don't hate people where cocky. You guys hate people who are confident in what they do. And I've seen it all the time. When Floyd Mayweather talking his shit. I mean, think about it. With boxing, it is literally built off of the feud between the two boxers, you know. Before they box, they line them up in front of each other and they make sure the tension builds up.
Yeah.
Because that's what sells tickets, that's what sells the interest, sells the suspense, is the shit talking.
Yes.
And the one we talk the more shit and get knocked out. Look on Nate Robinson, we get knocked out. And them
Conor McGregor!
And them have memes. Conor
McGregor!
And them have memes. I didn't see you guys defending him.
Okay.
There's memes of Nate Robinson laying down.
Wounded.
Suffering a concussion.
Wounded.
Potentially. The man potentially can be brain dead.
Yeah.
After that.
And what they do?
Them
memes.
Memes of him dip on the ground.
Wounded.
I slide around the place.
They made, I bought a pack. That's when I used to smoke. I'm 3 months sober right now off marijuana. But when I used to smoke herb, bro, I bought a Nate pack. You guys made Nate packs, bro.
Hey.
You made packs of herbs with Nate Robinson laid down with his ass up, bruh. That's no cap.
Exactly, bro. And this is somebody who is literally unconscious underground, suffering and fighting for his life.
Could be brain dead.
And you guys are making jokes of it, but this girl literally just lost a race and you guys want to cry and cancel out Jamaica.
And talk about coconut.
You guys are too soft for me, bro. And I see it. I watch the Shade Room, bro. I see you guys make fun of people's divorces.
Yes.
People's life falling apart, losing their kids, paying child support, getting cheated on, all this extra shit you guys make fun of and laughing and it's losing his kids for me and it's and no information. You guys are dog walking fucking dudes. Anytime a dude and a girl break up, it's always a dude fault. Y'all don't know shit about the relationship, but y'all be like, that's why niggas can't blah blah blah, and y'all all invested in people's life and talking shit. But now that the person who y'all was uplifting came in fucking last place, y'all want to get sensitive and be like, she's been through a lot. We were walking to coconut stands for a living.
Yeah.
According to you guys. So you think we don't have it as rough as Sha'Carri? We have it just as rough as Sha'Carri. So the fact that we win, give us our fucking flowers, my nigga. All right. Let us celebrate. She's not gonna feel anyway, man. I mean, you see her sitting there turning down uplifting words from people on TV because it's on TV and it doesn't mean anything.
Yes, doesn't mean anything.
So you guys are trying so hard. You know what? You know what's the funniest thing about people defending people on the internet is you guys be going harder than the victim. The victim don't even be going as hard as y'all. So sometimes y'all feel like y'all defending somebody when they don't give a fuck as much as y'all do. And it's like, does that make sense to y'all? Y'all taking up all this energy and they not even taking up all that energy. You sitting there talking about, please uplift her. And then you have people on TV uplifting her and then she doesn't even want it. She don't care. She does not care. And y'all sitting there running her down, defending her, trying to cancel out Jamaicans and all this extra shit, defending, talking about, it's funny, y'all uplifting her. Yo, give her support. And y'all give her support and she tell y'all to suck her dick. That's basically what she's saying. Support her. That shit don't mean nothing. It's on TV. That don't mean nothing at all. And y'all sitting there. Now y'all turning y'all, you know what? I can't defend you no more. Yeah, you should have never defended her in the first place. Let people defend themselves, bro. Let people defend themselves, bro. Y'all be going hard for what? Y'all don't know her. Y'all didn't go to the same school with her. Y'all didn't break bread with her. You know what I'm saying? She's still, come on, son. Like, yo, relax. It's the internet, bro. It's life.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter what you do in life. You could be famous. You could be somebody who don't nobody know. As long as you're successful, people are going to hate you. People are going to love you. Just let the world do what it does. Stop trying to fight everybody's battle. Relax. Because you're going to look dumb in the end. Y'all look stupid.
Yeah. And with that said, you don't know say one nation and Imara nation. This is Negusimara. This is Gyalis in Paris to the left of me. Americans, we don't hate. Don't ever think that we hate you guys.
Yeah, we just won.
Never. We just won.
We love y'all.
And that's it. That's it.
We love y'all, man.
Stay tuned. Gyalis in Paris?
There, brother.
I give thanks.
Yeah,
you understand?
Word, man.
One strength. You don't know say one nation and Imara nation. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure say you're on the podcast. This one has been epic. You understand? Up move. Look how my cut move.
Bars.